everyone, Angel Leo here. Welcome to another vlog. If you're new here, I am Angel Leo. I'm a lifestyle blogger and also make lifestyle videos. So if you think you're in the right channel, do click the subscribe button and the bell beside it just so you can get notified whenever I upload videos like this. So in this video guys, I'm gonna be answering your questions on my Instagram stories while I get ready. So I'm also gonna be showing you guys my everyday makeup look. So if you want to know more about me and to see my everyday makeup look, just keep on watching. I don't have anything on my face except for my skincare stuff. And yeah, so I always start off with concealer. I don't put any foundation on my face in an everyday makeup look. I'm gonna start reading your questions as well. So first question is, what brand of contact lenses are you using and what color? So I am currently using Air Optics. I'm wearing it right now. I only use one kind and one color contact lenses, which is Air Optics Pure Hazel. So second question is, tips on how to save for your trips, how to plan for it. Number one, whatever you earn, half of it you save it and half of it you can spend it however you want. That's what I personally do most of the time. Though sometimes, syempre, if I really need to pay something like my credit card or blah blah blah, then I can only save a little. Parang ganun siya. And how to plan it. So number one, I research about the country first. Second, I research the must-go places of the country. And then lastly, I look for the place in Google Maps. And then I check which places are near from each other. And then I plan it out from there. So day 1, yung mga nandito, yung malalapit on this area. And then day 2 will be on this area. Para lang you won't waste your time and money from transporting from one place to the other. Really bad in multitasking, so I head on to my powder. I only put super conting powder lang, and I only use translucent powder, which is the Hourglass. Just basically put powder on my T-zone just so I won't get oily all throughout the day. Kasi especially if I'm in Manila, medyo mainit. So mabilis mag-oily kahit hindi ka naman talaga oily skin. To the next question, favorite lip and cheek tint. This is my holy grail, lip and cheek tint forever. Like, hindi ko alam kung ilan ng ganito yung naubos. I head on to my brows. I use the K-Palette Real Lasting Eyebrow. I just use the liquid one and basically I just fill in the blank spaces of my brows. Yeah, because my brows is not that full, so parang I don't draw, like literally draw on it. Parang finifill in ko lang yung mga kulang-kulang dyan. So next question is, how old are you? Grabe kayo guys, huwag niyo naman ako binubuking. Joke lang, I'm really okay with sharing my age. I don't really mind. So my age is 5 plus 5 plus 2 plus 8 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2. I actually don't know kung tama yung sinabi kong mga numbers, but teka. 5 plus 5 plus 2 plus 8 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2. Oh, tama naman. So, at least inulit ko. So, comment on the comment section kung nakuha niyo yung age ko. Filling my brows, I just basically fill in the side kasi parang feeling ko kulang yung brows ko. Kulang yung haba ng brows ko. And then, I brush my brows. So, next question is, getting this question on my Instagram stories, and I'm actually surprised. Hindi ko alam na magugustuhan niyo pala yung hair color ko. Because, guys, kinulayan ko lang siya mag-isa dito sa bahay. And I actually posted a vlog about it already kasi I didn't have time to go to salon to have my hair done. So, I just went to Watson's and bought a hair color na mousse para I won't need anyone to put it on my hair. Actually, I'm just gonna put the name here and the picture of my hair color here. And if you want to see the video of how I colored my hair, which is DIY hair color, I'm gonna put the card up here or the link on the description box. Brush my brows like all the way up. So after my brows, I head onto my eyelids. I actually don't put any parang hardcore eyeshadow on an everyday makeup look. I just like using my bronzer. For this one, I'm gonna use my Sephora. So I'm just gonna get a small brush. Next question is, ano yung ginagawa mo kapag napapagod ka sa buhay? Ang lalim. So basically, to be honest, what I do if I get tired of life is I pause and I pray. Probably because I personally think and believe that I'm here, like I'm living now, like I'm talking to you guys for a reason and for a purpose. And that is God's purpose, because yeah, I'm here because of God, and God loves me and He won't put me here for no reason, and I strongly believe in that. So when my human nature comes in, where my emotions get really extra, like I get so sad, I get so tired, I get so emotional, the best thing that I think I can do for myself is to remind myself why I'm here. And that's basically because God created me for His personal reasons. And yeah, my goal in life is to find out that purpose and live His purpose for me. Medyo serious tayo dun, guys. Wait, so nose line, I'm still using the same product. So guys, for the next question, how do you stay fit? Actually, hindi ko din alam. I'm not that fit as you think, guys. Alam niyo yung mga pictures ko. Syempre, yun yung mga hindi pa ako nakakain or hindi ako huminga. Sometimes, lumalaki din yung tiyan ko, and then I gain weight, and then I lose weight again, and then I gain weight again, and then I lose weight again. I actually don't know how, because I rarely go to the gym. I rarely work out. Probably like once a month lang ako nakakapag-workout. So that being said, probably the best thing that I can share with you guys is what I do in an everyday basis. So every morning, guys, I drink warm lemon water. After that, I rarely eat breakfast. Based on research, breakfast is an important meal of the day, but I wake up like 9 a.m. na. By then, I'm not hungry, and I get hungry by lunchtime na. I'm not sure if that's healthy, but that's what I do. Though I eat breakfast sometimes if I get really hungry, and if I do, I eat oatmeal. Another thing that I think, or I don't know if it actually helps, I don't eat rice. I've never been a fan of rice. I like bread more than rice. Though I know bread is, I think, unhealthier than rice. I get to eat rice if I eat sushi, kasi syempre nakadikit na siya doon, wala naman akong choice. Before, this is really when I was like super fit. I think it was really because I don't eat heavy meals after 6 p.m. So usually after 6 p.m. I just eat fruits, and yeah, nothing heavy. Though lately hindi ko na siya nagagawa kasi usually I have late dinners na and stuff like that. So medyo nag-gain si ate mo. There, after my contour, I head on to my blush. Either I use my Tint for cheek tint, or I use my K palette. Next question is, how did you become a content creator? It wasn't a one-time thought lang for me na I wanted to be a content creator. Nag-develop lang siya. It all started with me doing modeling, and I was already exposed in that industry. And I was into photography and graphic stuff, and then that's where Tumblr came in and making a blog came in because I wanted to share that. And then Instagram came in, and there. Brands started to message me and stuff like that. So, doon na siya nag-start talaga. And now, I love what I'm doing. What school did you attend for college? I graduated from UST. So, yeah, I graduated from University of Santo Tomas. How did you and Brian meet? So, I actually got like a few of this, how me and Brian met. Me and Brian met through a mutual friend from Philippine Airlines, because I used to be a flight attendant, if you guys didn't know. The first time I met Brian was for work, so there was no intention of us being together or whatever. So it was really more for work because their family runs a fashion company, and I was into fashion blogging, and yeah. It all started there after like 2 years, and we were both single, and yeah. Then we started dating. Or actually, if you think about it, I think Brian really liked me already. Joke lang. So feeling. Curled my eyelashes using my Shiseido curling lash curler. Ba't ako nag-loading? So I'm gonna use my mascara now, which is the Maybelline The Falsies. Gamit na gamit na rin siya. Actually, hindi ko alam kung may laman pa ba to. So, next question is what app I use. Adobe Lightroom. I only use that app for all of my photos. And I just released a video on how I edit my Instagram photos. I'm gonna put a card, or the link will be on the description box if you want to watch that. And next question is favorite place. Favorite place is the beach, because wala lang, parang I can have a full view of the ocean and the sky, like clearly, and it just reminds me how great God is, that He created the heavens and the earth and the sea and me including, and yeah, it's just a very nice and peaceful place for me. So next question is, when is the big day? Grabe kayo, dapat secret lang yun muna. I really want to share it with you guys, but I think it's not yet the right time to share it with you guys. So I'm just gonna give you a hint. The special day, which is my wedding day, is next year, first quarter of next year. Yun na muna. Wala mo lang specific date. Okay? Were you a flight attendant, and why did you quit? Yes, I used to be a flight attendant. I think I flew more or less a year and a half. I used to fly for Philippine Airlines International. Why did I quit my job? I love my job, to be honest. Being a flight attendant is not easy at all. Your patience will really be tested. But the main reason why I quit being a flight attendant, because number one is my health. Ever since I can remember, I've always been sickly. Like, I'm a sickly person, and whenever I fly, I always get sick when I get home. Number one, probably because I get stuck in the aircraft for 12 hours to 16 hours for a long haul flight, and the same air is going around the aircraft for that span of time, and since like someone sneezes or whatever, then it's just circulating there, and I think that's one of the reasons why I get sick. Second is change of climate, because from the Philippines, which is a tropical country and which is always hot, and then I fly to, let's say, London, and it's cold. And third is that body clock. Hindi ako mabilis ma-jet lag. I rarely get jet lag. What I mean is that I don't get enough sleep. Even if, let's say, I can sleep in the afternoon because I have a night flight, I really can't sleep in the afternoon. So it will end up I didn't sleep at all. And secondly, after a year and a half, I realized the job wasn't really for me. I was enjoying it and everything, but I didn't see myself growing anymore in a way that I wanted to grow. Even if I loved the job and everything about it, it wasn't helping me to be someone that I wanted to be anymore. I can actually say that I wouldn't be the same person as I am if I didn't become a flight attendant, because I really learned so much, like so much. And if you want me to make a video about being a flight attendant and the pros and cons or whatever, do comment in the comment section and I'm gonna make a video for you guys. Let's head on to the next question. Kasi tapos na ako mag-makeup. Well, not yet. I'm gonna put my lip tint. Favorite city in Europe and travel tips. Favorite city in Europe is basically and obviously Paris. I've been dreaming of Paris ever since. It's such a beautiful city, but travel tips is that if you're flying to Europe, then safety is first. I've learned that the hard way. If you guys didn't know, I lost my passport when I was there. I've actually been super careful already, but still, it happened. So number one travel tip is you have to research about the place. You have to research about what you have to do and how you be safe and what's the safest way of transportation, and yeah, just research first before you go. Okay. Next question is, when did your faith become strong as it is now, and how's the journey been? Thank you so much for asking this. When did your faith become strong? I've been going to church ever since I can remember. My parents really taught us to go to church every Sunday. But when did it become stronger? Because as we all know, it's not about just going to church. So when did your faith become strong is when I was in second year college. It actually started as my sister, and then she brought me to the church, and then I've met a lot of young people and same college as me. After that, I started to go to a Bible study group, and then after that, everything just followed. Parang hindi na ako pilit to go to church. I love going to church already because I know I was doing it to learn more about God and to glorify God. Hindi na ako pilit to talk about God. Like, I love to talk about God and Jesus and everything in between that with full compassion. I don't really mind, and I don't really care if you think I'm weird. But if you ask me about faith, I have so much to say about faith. If you ask me how the journey has been, to be honest, people think that once you become a Christian or once you become close to God, you will be free of problems. And I'm sorry to tell you that that's wrong. As C.S. Lewis said, life with God isn't immunity from difficulties, but peace within difficulties. So once you have that strong faith and relationship with God, no matter what you go through, good or bad, you will thank Him and you will think about it as a part of His plan and purpose for your life. So if you ask me how my life has been, it has been really, really amazing with God. Not with all of my followers, not with how my life is, not with how my family is, not how I look or whatever. It's just purely because, you know, God has been so amazing and faithful and loving to me. And whatever He gives me, I'm just gonna take it and trust Him. Whew, that's something very serious again. Okay guys, let's head on to the next question. Sobrang haba na ng video na to. Wedding preps. So wedding preps, we are almost there. We are halfway actually. I'm so excited for the wedding, guys, and I'm so excited to share with you details, but I can't yet for now. But we are halfway. We've booked our photographer, videographer, place, and yeah, everything. Basically, small stuff na lang yung hindi namin nagagawa. And Lord help us. And next is, what keeps you motivated? You guys, I know you've been there since I've started, and I just can't thank you enough for your support. What keeps me motivated is my family and my loved ones that, yeah, they have always believed in me and what I do. Last but definitely not the least, which is the most important thing that keeps me motivated, is knowing that I'm living my life for a purpose. Not for a purpose of growing my followers itself, doing everything for God's purpose. I know that it's weird to think about it na parang, what's the connection of my work to God and His purpose? To be honest, God has given me this platform to share how good and great He is, and I will continue to use this platform, YouTube or Instagram or whatever platform there is that He will bless me with, then I will continue to use the platform for His purpose and to share His love and His goodness and everything that He has done in my life to you guys, and hoping and trusting that He will use me to, you know, talk to you guys and share His love to you guys. This video is too long already, so this will probably be the last question that I'm going to be answering. What's the thing that you can't live without except your phone? One thing that I can't live without except my phone is the Bible. Bible is basically my life manual. How can I live a life from God without knowing God's word? I mean, I don't know if you see the connection, but it's that. Me having the Bible and reading it almost every day, hopefully I'm gonna be able to read it every day, but me having the Bible, reading it and really learning from it is really a whole different perspective for me. So the answer is the Bible. So guys, that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for those questions. I have a few more questions actually, but I think the video is too long already and I'm afraid that you won't reach this part. But if you watch all the way here, thank you so much for watching all the way here. And I hope that you knew me a bit more because of this video. And if you did, please do comment in the comment section if you want me to do a part 2 of this, and I would love to do that for you as always. Thank you so much guys again for watching. Do please leave my video a thumbs up if you like it, comment in the comment section, and of course subscribe on my channel. Thank you so much guys, and see you in my next one. Bye!